Hey guys, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this dual deck Govideo VHS player and recorder to show you. The model number of it is DDV9485. But first, did you know that the VCR was invented in 1956? Yeah, it's been around for a pretty long time and it's just nearing the end of its days right now. But now that you know that, let's talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your audio video output right here, just standard composite, and then you have right and left audio for hi-fi audio, and then you have your antenna input and output. To connect it to your TV, just match up the red, white, and yellow cable to the output. And then as long as you've got it all connected correctly, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. And this is the original remote for it. It's got all your basic functions, and then you've even got a few extra ones. You can adjust the tracking, you can play it back slow, you've got shuttle control, and at any moment you can quickly switch between deck 1 and deck 2. And then you've even got a copy tape button if you wanted to copy your VHS tape. And then on the front panel, you have your stop eject button, power button, pause, rewind, play, fast forward, record, and then you've got your deck select button so you can switch decks with the front. And then right here you have your menu button if you want to go through the menus, TV VCR channel, and then you have a recording input. If you want to connect another device to it, you can record onto VHS through that. And then you have your copy tape button if you want to record from one VHS onto a blank cassette. But that's pretty much all there is to this device. If you want to order one, you can check out our online store or you can give us a call.